Hey, welcome to Greer's Rod Shop. I'm Trey. Thanks for joining me for this quick tip. Sometimes on older cars like the 68 Mustang, the seat bracket is way up in there, the nut for it or the bolt. And so they have these holes, and if you drop the nut when you're taking it off or putting it on, it falls in this cavity and it's hard to get out. So, toilet paper roll trick. Take a toilet paper tube and you kind of fold it like this if you need to fit the hole size, and then you just work it into the hole like this and push it up till it meets the surface at the top. Check and make sure your bolt is aligned, and then you can easily install the bolt. And then another trick is, originally these had a captured washer on the nut, but I'm using a stop nut to make sure that it stays on there, so I super glued the washer on there. Then I can put it on the socket like this, work the socket up in the hole, carefully finding the bolt, and then I can start that on there. Oh, don't quite have it, but if I had dropped it, this would protect it from falling into the cavity and fall right back out in my hand. Just like that. And then I can work my way to the next ones. You could also use a paper towel tube if you needed to, if your hole was real deep. Oop. And I dropped that one and it came right back out because of the toilet paper tube, but I'll have to re-glue that one to the nut. I re-glued the washer to the nut. Now I can tighten them all up. All done, everything's tight. Thanks for joining Greer's Rod Shop for this little tip.